Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 17th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see. And the Dow did make a new weekly high this time. Dow did finish red this week, though. Let's maximize this. Let's do this and see what we see. But I still think the Dow is and the market is quite bullish. On this first quarter, we are still green. We are still going higher. We still got a ways to go till we get to that 400 mark. That 400 mark is just $11 away, but that's like $11,000 away. $1,100 away, not $11,000 away if you're looking at the future contract. So that is still quite a ways away, but it can be done and it can be reached, But that's what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, I'll zoom in just a little bit here just to look at what's happening here. Again, we're still below that R1 also. So again, I still think we're going to continue to track higher. We are making higher lows, higher low. We're halfway through the month. We have a higher low and a higher high at this time. So again, we're still looking very bullish. We're still above the 10 and going higher. All right, let's take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. Here's on the weekly chart. This thing, like I've been saying, it's been screaming up. The Dow was the one that started screaming up again after it did this little rest and we did get kind of like a hammer last week, on the Nasdaq and some of the other indexes. I was expecting a turnover, and we did get a little bit of a turnover. The Dow almost pulled it all the way back, ended up forming another doji up here near top beneath, at R1 level, a monthly pivot R1, kind of like what some of us expect, but we're seeing, what's happening up here. What is this market getting ready to do? It definitely has slowed down. It may be doing one of these basing things where it can actually base for another week or two before it actually decide to go up or decide to go down. And we have to just kind of like wait and see what's going to happen there. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily noise and wrap this on up. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit like that. And here on the daily noise. This was that Monday. This market looked like it was ready to go higher then that CPI information came out, and they pulled the bottom out. They pulled the bids out, and this market dropped. It actually pulled it all the way back, but it didn't break that Monday high. So it's still looking somewhat kind of bearish, and we also have a bearish harami here on the daily picture. So be careful about trading anything to the upside, because you need to see what's going to happen with this daily picture that we have right here. Are we going to get confirmation on this bearish looking pattern that we have right here, this bearish harami? And the thing is, you kind of look for it. Okay, you can look just for your confirmation candle. Some of us like looking for it to close these gaps. Some of us like to look for it actually breaking this most recent low, most recent pivot low, I call it, that the market has made, or that most recent pivot high that the market has made before you actually do anything. Again, it's all based on your trading style, your trading strategies, and what your plan tells you. But this is what I see right now. We do have a bearish looking pattern on the daily, and the thing is, we need to kind of like be patient and wait and see what it's actually going to do. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.